Hello, today I'm gonna be showing you about Ayada Maldives where we stayed for a week and we had a great time there. And let's go to watch our video. Our trip started with a flight from Istanbul International Airport to Malé International Airport, which took around 8 hours. Representative of Ayada Maldives Resort met us on arrival and took us to the domestic terminal, which is just another entrance of the same building. We have been waiting at Monima Lounge, which is complimentary to Ayada Maldives Resort guests.
ඉතුර වැජෙත්සම නුවත හිඳවාලෙබුම මිදෙහොලීගේ බේන්පුල් පුරපා ඉශින්ද වැඩගිනවත් කුතුමතියුරු කොණ්ඩි යුදීකා සලාම්තිනාලුමත් කාඩෙනිනාල්. The domestic transfer took approximately 95 minutes from Malé International Airport to Kadedo Domestic Airport. And once again, we've been greeted by the domestic airport representative of Ayada Maldives, who assisted us to the speedboat, which is our last transport to reach the island itself.
Hello, welcome. Hello, welcome to Ayada. Welcome. Hello, welcome to Ayada.
Nice to meet you. Welcome. Nice to meet you, sir. Welcome.
When we reached the island, on the dock we were welcomed by the person of Ayada Maldives, and directly from dock our butler, whose name is Zishan, took us around the island to show the location of the restaurants and facilities.
Starts 7 o'clock to till 10:30. Dinner starts 7 o'clock to 10 o'clock. For the dinner, every day we have a different themes night. Today is a Friday, today Latino night. Tomorrow will be Asian night, then roast night, then international night. Yesterday was Turkish night, so you are here today.
So let's start our villa tour. We stayed on the Ocean Villa, which is positioned over the lagoon. These large villas have direct lagoon access, a private outdoor patio, ocean hammocks, a plunge pool, and an excellent view of the horizon. Villa has bathtub, indoor and outdoor shower, Nespresso machine and tea making facilities. Total 8 restaurants located on the island. We will start from the first one, which is Magu, the main restaurant in Ayada Maldives, which is open for breakfast and supper. It offers a generous international buffet with daily changing themes, as our butler Zishan said already. Then restaurant Mizu, where chef will create the tastiest fish, meat and vegetable dishes in front of you. The Ottoman Lounge. This remote enclave of the Ottoman Empire adorns the island with superb Turkish teas and coffee served in the traditional style. Ocean Breeze. This elegant restaurant is open for lunch and dinner, which offers menu of contemporary European dishes. As I already said, there are 8 restaurants, but we didn't have enough time to visit all of them, so next time we will definitely visit all of them. You may enjoy the best poolside dining at your Digo restaurant which offers many of international dishes including from Europe, Asia and Middle East. Every evening at Ayada Maldives, there are different activities like fire shows, cinema, etc. On the middle of the island located sport facilities where people can have a great time playing snooker, table tennis, PlayStation 5, water chess, or keep themselves fit on the gym. Also, there is a tennis court, sand volleyball field, and football pitch. At the back of the iClub, located secret garden, there is a paradise of local grown organic fruits, veggies and herbs. During our stay we did lots of snorkeling and discovered many colorful fishes. But if you want, you can do more activities such as dolphin spotting trip, island safari, fishing at sunset and many more.